Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video tutorial that will show you how to overlap an image in Canva on an object. Just before I get into it, I've got a link in the description for this video for you that will take you to a free trial version of Canva. So if you want to give it all a go and you want to utilize this platform, if you haven't done so already, just click the link just right below us. So obviously I've got an image here and in my canvas, and then I've got an object, and it's very simple to kind of overlap them. Obviously you've got the ability to, drag the one on top of another. So you can see at the moment, the way it's kind of set out is that this object here overlaps the image which is set behind it. Now, if you want to change that, if you want to say, for example, make this lady appear behind the image and overlap it differently, you need to click that little 3 dots there in the right hand corner of the toolbar that appears when you've got that object selected. So whatever object you need to kind of prioritize and bring to the front, or put to the back or whatever, you can hit that little options there, and then send to back is the option that you'd want, send backward. If you've got multiple layers in your project, you just send it backwards, but if I send that lady image now to the back, she's now behind the image and now it's on top of her. Much like the same, if I right click her again, and then that's another quick way to access that options menu, by the way. I just went for my default there. It's that little 3 dots, which is also the right click menu, and then I bring her to the front again. She now overlaps the front just like that. And obviously, you can sort of mix it up, and you could get creative with some text, and so you can see now that by sending her backwards and making her a little bit smaller, for example, and appear behind the lady there, it gives the sense of depth to that image, So, and if I wanted to send her, right to the back again, she's now behind the image there, which makes her look even further away. So, for example, you can think of it as layers and a hierarchy of layers. And that concludes the video tutorial. So like I said, if you want to give this all a go, now there's a free trial version of Canva. There's a link in the description down below. And if you enjoyed that and you want to see more content of that nature, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or comments or any suggestions for future videos, leave that as a comment down below. Thank you very much.